Good morning, my dear students. So today for grade 2, class 2, I'm going to teach you that environmental studies. As we have learned so many things in the previous class, that same, in short, we call it as EVS. Okay? In short, we call it as EVS. EVS stands for environmental science. Okay, environmental science. For grade 2, I am going to teach today environmental science. That is the first lesson, our body. Okay, shall we begin? Our body. Alright, our body. Let's start. Which part of the body are the children using to do these activities? Choose the correct answer and tell your teacher. See, for walking, what we use? We use our feet and our legs. For walking, what the body parts we use? Our feet and our legs. For doing any kind of work, what we use? We use our feet and our hands. If you want to look at to a particular tree, bird or animals, what we use? We use our eyes. Okay? If you want to eat a fruit, food, etc., then what body parts we use? We use our mouth. Okay? Whether you want to smell pleasant or dirty, to what the organ we are going to use? We are going to use the nose. When you are going to listen to a music or listen to the class, which body part you are going to use? You are going to use your ears. Okay? So these are the body parts and its activities that we are going to learn in detail in this lesson. Okay? Let's begin then. Which parts of the body are the children using to do these activities? Choose the correct answer and tell to your teacher. Okay, that one boy is sitting on a chair and watching the television and eating popcorns, eating something, right? Or he is doing some activity, right? To watch the television, which body parts he has to use? To watch, eyes. Okay, eyes. And in the television there must be some movie. He is going to listen to it. Watching as well as listening. Okay, to watch, eyes are important. To listen, ears are important. To sit, his feet is important. Okay, to eat, he is going to use the mouth. And one girl is walking in the garden and she is smelling the flower. To smell the flower, which body part she has to use? Ear or nose? She has to use nose instead of ears. Nose used to smell. Ears used to listen, hear. Okay? Then she is walking on her feet. Okay? That this guy is using ears to listen eyes to watch, mouth to eat, hands to eat, okay, then feet to move on, and nose to smell. Okay, so this is a fun-filled activity. Now you can question yourself and you can ask your brothers or sisters the different functions and activities of our different parts of our body. Will you do it? Okay, let's start. Begin. We will learn more on that. Okay. Next, here. Let's read. Let's read. Okay. Here are some new words for you people. I will tick and you need to repeat and write it in your notebook. Okay. First I will tick the new words which will help you to pronounce and spell. Spell and pronounce. Okay. So here is the word machine. Machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Machine is the new word. Here you can read. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Machine. Okay. Next is different. Different. Okay. Next is functions. Functions. Okay. Next we have the new word for you is sense. Sense. Okay. Sense. Then next word is new word is external. External parts. Next is internal. Internal parts. External parts, internal parts. Okay. Next is some new words are this is not new word but still you take down picture. Picture. Label. Label. Okay. Then you are familiar with the brain, chest, stomach, etc. Okay. Then here is the activities. 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 Properly. Properly. Okay. Then is exercise. 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 This is read as exercise. Then pumps. Beating. Beating. Pumps. Pumps. Okay. Then lungs. Lungs. Alright. Stomach you are familiar with. Digest you are familiar with. Okay. Present, below, chest, everything you are familiar with. Next is bones. Bones you note down. B-O-N-E-S, bones. Then muscles. Bones and muscles. Okay. Bones and muscles. Muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles. Okay. Now next are example you are familiar with. Healthy you are familiar with. Glasses, glasses, regularly. Exercise regularly. Regularly. In the last year you have learnt many words, but still I am giving you repeated new words. Make a thorough spelling pronunciations. Okay? Spelling and pronunciations of these words. Okay? Shall I repeat? This is a regularly. Regularly. And here this is muscles. And this is bones. Okay? And here are lungs. 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 Pumps. Exercise. Properly. Activities. Label. Then picture. Okay? External and internal. External and internal. EXTER, external. External. INTER, inter, NAL, internal. Internal and external. Then you have a sense. Then we have a functions. Different and machine. These are the new words for you people. Just you have to write again and again, spell it and pronounce it. Okay? Will you do it? Very good. After doing this only, after getting familiar with the spellings only, you can able to read. You can able to read. First you do that. Okay? Then try to read the lesson. Okay? Before reading to the lesson, you must get familiar with the new words. You must get familiar with the new words. Okay? Will you do it? Will you? Alright. Alright. So, shall I begin? I think right now. Okay. Our body is like a machine. Our body is like a machine. It is made up of many parts. It is made up of many parts. Each part helps the body to do different things. Each part helps the body to do different things. Okay? Our body is like a machine. Nam body ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ machine ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. It is made up of many parts. As I told you, hands, legs, stomach, feet. Okay, eyes, ears, head, neck, chest, shoulder, etc. This is made up of many parts. Many parts. Each part helps the body to do different things. To do different things. Each part helps the body to do different things. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ each and every part of a body helps. Let us recall the functions of the parts given below. Okay? As I told you, different activity. If you want to do different things, we need to have the different organs. Organ means body parts. Okay? Let's recall. This eyes for see. Look. Eyes for see. Ears for hear. Smell for nose for smell. Tongue for taste. Hand for feel. Hand for feel. Eyes to see. Eyes to see. Ears to hear. Ears to hear. Nose to smell. Nose to smell. Tongue to taste. Hand to feel. Okay? These are the 5 sense organs as we have already learnt in the previous class. That are sense organs. That are sense organs. 5 sense organs. Okay? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and hand or skin to feel. Okay? Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, skin to or hands to feel. Okay, we have already learnt that these parts help us to sense and feel everything around us. Everything around us. Okay, you have already learnt that these parts help us to sense and feel everything around us. If you want to smell pleasant or dirty, then you must have to have the nose. Then we must see something, you must look something, then we need to have the eyes, then we need to hear something, listen to something, then we must have the ears, then you want to taste something, we must have the tongue, and when you feel something, you must have the skin. Skin is to feel. Got the point, I think. Okay, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. With these 5 sense organs only we can feel, or we can smell, we can hear, we can see, we can taste, and we can feel. If you don't have any of these 5 sense organs, we can't able to do anything. These are the very sensual organs of the human body. Okay, next is different parts of our body. Different parts of our body. Okay, here some parts of our body are outside and can be seen. Some parts of the body are outside and can be seen. They are called external parts. They are called external parts. The eyes, nose, arms and legs are external parts. Okay, some parts of our body are outside the body. Outside means we can have not outside of the body, outside. Okay, outside and can be seen. They are called external parts. External parts. The eyes, nose, arms and legs are external parts that you can see with your eyes. They are external body parts. Okay, that you can see with your eyes. They are called external parts. Some parts are inside the body. Some parts are inside the body and cannot be seen. They are called internal parts. Internal parts. The brain, the heart, the lungs are some internal parts. Can you see your stomach? Can you see your lungs? Can you see your heart? No. Can you see your lungs? No. Right? So they are internal body parts. They are within the body. Within the body. Right? Heart, brain, lungs are the internal body parts. Hands, eyes, ear, nose, cheek, chin, okay, legs, feet are external parts of the body. Internal parts of the body and external parts of the body. Okay, some parts are inside the body and cannot be seen. They are called internal parts. The brain, the heart, the lung and are the some internal parts. Some parts are inside the body and cannot be seen. They are called internal parts. The brain, heart and lungs are some internal parts. Some internal parts. Okay. Tick the internal parts of the body. Here some options are given. Eyes, lungs, hearts, hands. Internal means within the body. Within the body are lungs. Okay. Heart is within the body. You need to take heart and lungs. Okay. Now let's see the picture of a girl. Let's see the picture of a girl. And try to recognize body parts. Here, this is the head. Here it is the head. And this is the face. This is the face. And these are the arms. This is the arm. And this is the chest. This is the stomach. Stomach. Thigh. Leg. Foot. Knee. Knee means this. Malakal antirala. Knee. Foot. Pada. Legs. Kalu. Thigh. Tode. Stomach. Hotte. Chest. Yede. Arm. The shoulder. Okay. Head. And face. Okay. Can you head, face, arm, chest, stomach, thigh, knee, leg, foot. Foot. Okay. These are the body parts of a human being. Okay. Shall I move on? Right. So here, can you label? Can you label? Label means you need to write its names. You need to label the parts of a body. Label the eyes, nose, ear, head, hand and leg on the given picture. This is the given picture. What all I need to label? Eyes, nose, head, hand and leg on the given picture. Can you label the cheek and the lip and the chin? Okay, this is the cheek, lip and the chin. Okay, ask your elders to help you to do the same. Okay, here I am going to help you, right? See, these are eyes. This is eye. Okay, and this is nose. Okay, ears. Ear. Okay, hand. Hand. And leg. Leg. Okay. Next is cheek. Lip. Lips. Chin. Chin. Okay. This is called labeling the body parts. Labeling the body parts. Okay. Got it? Next. Next, as we have discussed, internal parts of the body and external parts of the body. Let's study in detail the internal and the external body parts. Okay? Okay, fine. See here. Internal parts. Internal parts. The brain is inside our head. The brain is inside our head. The brain, which is inside the head. Okay? The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think. What it does? It helps us to think, learn, remember and do many other activities. Okay? The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think, learn, remember and do many other activities. The brain also helps our body sorry, the brain also helps our other parts to work properly. To work properly. The brain also helps our other parts to work properly. To work properly. Okay? So this is the brain. Here this is the brain which help us to think, learn, remember and do many other activities. The brain also helps our other parts to work properly. To work properly. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತಲೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ your hand on the left side of your chest. Left side of your chest after running or doing an exercise. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಬ್ ಡಬ್ ಲಬ್ ಡಬ್ ಲಬ್ ಡಬ್ ಲಬ್ ಡಬ್ ಅಂತ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಡಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. That is called as a heart. Okay? Place your finger on the left side of your chest after running or doing an exercise. Do you feel something beating? Yes, it is the heart. It is the heart. The heart lies inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. ನಮ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ನ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಡಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. You see something is beating. It is called heart. The heart lies inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. All parts of the body. Got it? Oi. Close to our heart are a pair of lungs. Pair of lungs. We breathe with the help of our lungs. Close to our heart, what we have? We have lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಡೀಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಬೇಗನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಏರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಉಶ್ವಾಸ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. ಪೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ two lungs. We breathe with the help of our lungs. We breathe up with the help of our lungs. Okay, Next is the stomach. Next is the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest the food that we eat. It is present below the chest. Below the chest. Okay? The stomach helps us to digest the food that we eat. It is present below the chest. It is present below the chest. Okay? The stomach helps us to digest our food that we eat. It is present below the chest. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್. Stomach help us to digest the food that we eat. It is present below the chest. Chest ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Alright. Next is apart from these parts, our body also has bones and muscles. Apart from these parts, our body also has bones and muscles. Bones ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲುಬು. ಮಸಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಂಸ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಸಲ್. ಓಕೆ? Apart from these parts, our body also has bones and muscles. There are total 206 small and large bones in an adult human body. ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಏಜ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 18 ವರ್ಷದ ಯುವಕನಲ್ಲಿ 206 ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 206 ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 206 small and large bones in the adult human body. These give shape to our body. Muscles covers our bones. Muscles ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, our body also has bones and muscles. There are a total of 206 small and large bones in an adult human body. These give shape to our body. Muscles covers our bones. Muscles covers our bones. Bones and muscles help our body to move. To move. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟು ಮೂವ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ನೆಕ್ help us to turn our head. Muscles of our neck help us to turn our head. Okay? Just moment your head. That's the neck. That is the muscle is there. That help us to move our body. If we want to stay fit and healthy, we should look after our body. Okay? If we want to stay fit and healthy, we should look after our body. We should eat healthy food and drink at least 6 glasses of water every day. We should exercise regularly. Sleep for about 8 hours and keep our body clean. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಡೈಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದನ್ನೇ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ತಿಂದೆ, ಕಚೋರಿ ತಿಂದೆ, ಬಜಿ ತಿಂದೆ, ಬೋಂಡಾ ತಿಂದೆ, ಆತರ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You need to have a chapati, roti, curry, fruits, palya, varieties of vegetables, varieties of fruits, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 8 glasses ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೈಲಿ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ತನಕನು ನಾವು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ 8 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ತಾಸು ನಾವು ಮಲಗಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ನಮ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಫಾರ್ 8 hours. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಫಾರ್ 8 hours. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ ಬಾಡಿನ ಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ and we should sleep at least 8 hours and keep our body clean. 8 hours ಮಲಗಬೇಕು and ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, hope you have followed this lesson. Very important. This is all about our body parts. Our body, we must know our body, right? We must know our body. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇರೋದು. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓದಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತದಾ? ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಷೀನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. Each part helps the body to do different things. Let us recall the functions of the parts given below. See, eyes, hear, ears, smell, nose, taste, tongue, feel, hand or skin. You have already learned that these parts help us to sense and feel everything around us. These are called sense organs. Okay. Next we have different parts of our body. Some parts of our body are outside and can be seen. Some parts of the body are outside. Some parts of our body are outside and can be seen. They are called external parts. The eyes, nose, arms and legs are external parts. Some parts are inside the body and cannot be seen. They are called internal parts. The brain, heart and lungs are some internal parts. Just let's check. Tick the internal parts of the body. Eyes, heart, lungs and hands. Lungs and heart are internal body parts. Okay, and see the picture. See here the picture. Head, face, arm, chest, stomach, knee, thigh, leg and foot. Okay, these are the body parts. Alright, next we have label the eyes, nose, ear, head, hands and leg on the given picture. Can you label the cheek, lip and chin? Ask your elders to help you to do the same. So these are the ears here and these are the eyes and this is the nose, lip, cheek, chin, hand, leg. Okay. And next is internal parts. The brain is inside our head. The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think, learn, remember and do many other activities. The brain also helps our body. The brain also helps our other parts to work properly. Place your hand, this is the brain and this is the heart. Place your hand on the left side of your chest. After running or doing exercise, do you feel something is beating? Yes, it is heart. The heart lies inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Close to our heart are pair of lungs. We breathe with the help of lungs. We breathe with the help of lungs. The stomach, these are lungs. Close to our heart, a pair means two of lungs. We breathe with the help of lungs. Okay, the stomach helps us to digest the food that we eat. It is present below the chest. Okay, apart from these parts, our body also has bones and muscles. There are a total number of 2 not 6 small and large bones in an adult human body. These give shape to our body. Muscles cover our bones. Bones and muscles help our body to move. For example, the muscle of our neck help us to turn our head. If we want to stay fit and healthy, we should look after our body. We should eat healthy food and drink at least 8 glasses of water, and every day we should exercise regularly, sleep for about 8 hours, and keep our body clean. We need to, you people need to read this lesson and each and every word and try to understand very thoroughly. Fill in the blanks. The dash is inside the head. The brain is inside the head. The dash lies below the chest. The stomach lies below the chest. Okay. So like this, you can have many activities. So here, answer time. Let's answer. Okay. So here are the fill in the blanks. Choose the correct option. There are options are given. Choose the correct option. The dash gives shape to the body. The bones give shape to the body. How the lungs, bones, muscles. What gives the shape to the body? Bones. Okay. The dash are external parts. Brain, heart and eyes. Eyes are the external parts of the body. Brain and heart within the body. They are internal. Okay. The dash help us other parts of the parts to work properly. Heart, eyes and brain. The brain help other parts to work properly. Okay. The brain helps the other parts to work properly. Okay. Next is the parts of the body that help us to move are called bones and muscles. The bones and muscles, hands and stomach. The parts of the body that helps to move are called bones and muscles. Hands and stomach ide, bones and muscles is the correct option. Okay, answer the following questions now. Okay, which part of the body help us to think? Which part of the body help us to think? The brain help us to think. The brain help us to think. What is the difference between external and internal parts? Internal parts. The external parts are outside the body and Okay. What is the difference between internal and external parts? The internal parts are the body parts that we can see, and the internal parts are within the body, that we can't see. Okay? The internal parts are the body parts that we can see, and the internal parts are within the body that we cannot see. Okay? How many bones are there in the body of an adult? Okay? There are 206 large and small bones in an adult body. Okay? There are 206 large and small bones in an adult body. Okay? Write 3 things that you should do to remain healthy. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Sleep 8 hours daily. Okay? And we should exercise regularly to keep fit and healthy. Okay? Which internal parts of body do you think the most important? Give the reason. Brain is the important internal parts of our body because it controls all activities of the body. Okay? Now, value and life skills. Helpfulness. Okay? Values and life skills. Aziz had broken his leg a month ago. His leg has healed but is weak. You see him struggling to walk. How will you help him? Just you need to give him the support to walk. That you need to give support to walk because he can't able to walk. That is for helpfulness. That is the value and life skills we must learn. The person who seems weak or disabled, we need to help him to move from one part to other part. That is the value and life skills we must learn. Okay? From this workbook, we need to solve some. Okay? From this workbook, we need to solve some. Again, the worksheets are here. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Our body is like a machine. Our body is like a machine. Some parts of our body are external, can be seen. Okay? The heart is present on the left side of the chest. Dash covers our bones, muscle covers our bones. We should eat healthy food. Okay? Write T for true and A for false for some sentences here. Okay? Our body is made up of only one part, false. It's made up of many parts. Ears help us to hear. Yes, it is true. Eyes are internal parts. No, false it is. The stomach is present below the chest. Yes, it is below the chest. Okay? And we should look after our body in order to stay fit. Yes, exactly. We need to look after our body to stay fit. Okay? Then name the following internal parts. This is the brain. This is the heart. This is the lung. And this is the stomach. Okay? Our next is answer the following questions. Okay? How does the stomach help us? The stomach helps us to digest our food. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 large and small bones in an adult body. Write down in an adult body. What is the function of the bone? The bone helps us to move and shape our body. The bones help us to move and shape our body. And these are the worksheets you need to solve again and again. You need to read the lesson carefully. Each and every concept you have to understand, and you have to get familiar with the pronunciation of each and every spellings. First you work on the spellings, pronunciation, read, understand, then sit to solve the worksheets. Okay? Hope you have understood this lesson thoroughly. This is very important part of your environmental science. This is EVS. Okay? This is all about our body. This is all about our own body. Okay? We must understand. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye-bye.